Hello students, we have completed the Mughal Empire this chapter, fourth chapter of history of your class, and today we will revise this chapter with the help of some MCQs, and you have to listen the question carefully and then guess the answer, and after that I will tell the correct answer, and at last you should count your the number of correct answers, means your score, and share in the comment box. Let's start. Question number 1. Sultan Suleiman ruled Ottoman Turkey. He was the ruler of Ottoman Turkey who expanded his empire in Europe also. Who ruled? Means Sultan Suleiman ruled Ottoman Turkey. Option A 1520 to 1566. B 1525 to 1565. C 1528 to 1566 and D 1530 to 1562. Yes, it may be very easy question for you. A is the correct answer in this question. Who was the revenue minister of Akbar? Birbal, Mir Hakim, Abul Fazl, Todermal. So the correct answer is D. Todermal, who started the Japt system. Understand? Todermal. He was the revenue minister of Akbar. When Genghis Khan died? 1857, 1991, 1404, 1227. So the correct answer is D. Because Genghis Khan was not in time of 19th century, he was not in 20th century, also not in 15th century. He was in 13th century and died in 1227. Genghis Khan. When Timur died? 1227, 1485, 1463 and 1404. Yes. The correct answer of this question is D. 1404. Come to the next question. Who was defeated by Sher Shah Suri in 1540? In 1540 and 1539, consequently two times, Sher Shah Suri defeated Babar, Akbar, Shah Jahan or Humayun. D is the correct answer, Humayun. After defeating Humayun, means after being defeated by Sher Shah Suri, Humayun went to Iran. Who were an immediate threat of Mughal authority? Option A, British, B, Pakistani, C, Afghans and D, all of above. British means immediately there were no British at that time, and Pakistani term was not there before 1947. So C might be the correct answer, Afghans. Next, who was the last Mughal emperor? Shah Jahan, Akbar, Aurangzeb, none of these. Last Mughal emperor, Shah Jahan was not, Akbar also, Aurangzeb died in 1707. He was the last powerful Mughal emperor but not last Mughal emperor. So D is the correct answer, none of these. So who was the last Mughal emperor? Bahadur Shah Jafar II was the last Mughal emperor who was arrested by British people during the 1857 revolution and died in 1862 in Rangoon jail. Next question. Which is the third volume of Akbarnama? Akbarnama was written by Abul Fazl and it consisted of 3 volumes. Ain Akbari, lifetime between 1 to 10 years, life between 10 to 30, or none of these. So the third volume was A, Ain Akbari. It was the third volume. Who wrote Akbarnama? Abul Fazl ibn Mubarak, Muhammad Qasim Hindu Shah, Nizamuddin Ahmad, none of above. Recently I told you before a short while, Abul Fazl is the correct answer, wrote Akbarnama. Babar succeeded to the throne of which throne? Whose throne? In 1494. Fargana, Agra, Panipat, all of above. Yes, Fargana, because before 1526 he had no power in Agra, Panipat, all of means any part of India. Who was the first Mughal emperor? Humayun, Babar, Jahangir, none of these. It is very easy question. Babar is the correct answer. He was the first Mughal emperor because in 1526 he defeated Ibrahim Lodi and established Mughal Empire in India. Babur defeated whom to capture Delhi and Agra? Genghis Khan is completely wrong answer. Humayun himself was the Mughal emperor, but he was not there at that time during Babur. Ibrahim Lodi, and none of these. C is the correct answer. Ibrahim Lodi was defeated in 1526 in the first battle of Panipat. You have to remember the first battle of Panipat between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi, 1526. Second battle of Panipat in 1556, right, between Akbar and Hemu. And third battle of Panipat between Ahmad Shah Abdali and Marathas. Come to the question number 13. In which year Humayun recaptured Delhi after gaining power again in 1552, 1553, 54, 55? D is the correct answer. In 1555, Humayun recaptured Delhi. Whom did Aurangzeb insulted? Maharana Pratap, Sher Shah, Ranjit Singh, Shivaji. So Shivaji was the contemporary of Aurangzeb. So D is the correct answer, Shivaji. What was the other name of Prince Salim? Shah Jahan, Jahangir, Aurangzeb, none of the above. So Salim was, you can say that Shah Jahan, Jahangir, Aurangzeb, none of the above. So the correct answer is Jahangir is the correct answer. Salim was Jahangir. What is Ain Akbari? First part of Akbarnama, second part, third part, fourth part. In Akbarnama there was no fourth part, so D will not be there, completely removed. So first, second and third. So Ain Akbari in this video, before a short while we discussed about it. It was the third part of Akbarnama. What was the other name of Prince Khurram? Khurram, Shah Jahan, Jahangir. Jahangir was Salim. Aurangzeb, none of these. So Shah Jahan is the correct answer. He was the son of Jahangir. Shah Jahan, Khurram. What was known as the minister in charge of? We can say that who was known as the minister in charge of religious and charitable patronage? Jamindar, Sadr, Bakshi, Kotwal. Jamindar was no term in the administration system, because Zamindar was means these people were being appointed by the Mughal emperors, but these were the administrative officers. Sadr, Bakshi, Kotwal. Kotwal was for maintaining law order, and so Bakshi was paymaster, and Sadr is the correct answer. B is the correct answer, in charge of religious and charitable patronage. What was the capital of Mirza Hakim, Akbar's half brother? Kabul, Morocco, Sindh, Afghan. 4 options are there. Think and think, because it is very easy question. Mirza Hakim from the box. A is the correct answer, Kabul. And last and final question. Noor Jahan was wife of? Noor Jahan was wife of Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb, Jahangir, none of these. C is the correct answer of this question, Jahangir. So Noor Jahan was the wife of Jahangir. So dear students, in this way we have completed this MCQ test, and you should count your score and share with me by writing in comment box. Revise the chapter again by watching the previous videos, and do practice more and more. Thank you. Have a nice day.